Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video to my YouTube channel. I'm super happy you clicked on this specific video because in this video I will be exposing the exact method that I use to create meme coins and make hundreds of thousands of dollars doing it. It's going to be completely free, live on camera, nothing gatekept in this video. Most people watching this video right now are stuck on the trading side, wondering why they buy coins and they get dumped on right after. Well, the answer is simple. If you continue to trade meme coins, you will eventually lose a shit ton of money, but if you start creating coins instead, well, you have nothing to lose. You can just launch and then cash out. So today I am showing you how to become a dev, how to find narratives, how to launch it, and then how to cash out. Everything will be done in this video with a live step-by-step example. Let's go. And by the way, guys, I do know what I'm talking about. I've made all my money from creating Varos and the meme coins on chain, so that's why I am making this video. I want to show you how it's done. That's it. Let's go. Now, the reason why trading meme coins is extremely unprofitable is because the entire market is rigged for traders to lose. You guys need to know that most of these coins, they hold no value. The only value they have is attention. And when that attention dies out, guess what? The meme coin basically goes to zero, and every single person who bought the coin early basically lost all their money or some of their money. And for that reason, I do not trade coins because I hate risking my money for a chance to make money or to lose it. But instead, I just like to dev my own coins. So I create coins which cost nothing, and then I wait for people to buy in, and then when the market cap is extremely high, I can just sell my supply on everyone, and I can make thousands of dollars on every single launch that I do for myself. So in this video, guys, you will see me launch a coin and then walk you guys through it step by step. Okay, by the end of the video, you will learn every single step of the strategy and you can possibly dev coins yourself. Okay, so that is the goal of today's video. Let's go. By the way, guys, I am not at all a financial advisor. This entire video is for educational purposes only, so please, bro, do your own research and be aware this is not financial advice. Guys! Now look, you guys need to understand where I launch my meme coins to maximize the profits on every single launch that I make. Instead of launching on Pump.Fun, right? Because Pump.Fun is oversaturated. Instead of launching on this dead platform, I just launch on Raydium. By launching on Raydium, your coins are going to reach way more people compared to Pump.Fun because Pump.Fun has too much competition. But Raydium, though, every single coin gets a fair amount of attention, and that attention could possibly convert into a bunch of buyers, just like this coin. After it got launched, it went to a $55,000 market cap, and I'm sure that the dev made a lot of money and he's still making a lot. So that's why I dev coins on Raydium instead of Pump.Fun. Now, to actually make a coin on Raydium, you obviously need to be using create memes.io to launch your coins to Raydium. The reason why it's being gatekept by a bunch of devs is because every single coin that you make here goes to Raydium immediately, and that's why it's being gatekept. Now here's exactly how to make a coin. You have a couple options. You could either create a whole new coin custom made from scratch, whether you have a narrative in mind or anything, you can make it here. Just follow these steps and create the coin, or you can copy coins. This is my personal favorite method. I've genuinely made all my money from copying coins. It's the same exact thing as vamping. Basically, all these coins have a good narrative. They're all going viral and they all have a fair amount of volume. Okay, as you guys can see, like all these coins are proven to get buyers, so we are going to be launching these coins by copying them and launching one coin here to Raydium to get buyers on our copy. Anyways, guys, now it's time to make some money. I will be doing a live dev, a live copy in front of you, okay, and you guys will see how I make my coins every single day to make my money. Now, connect your Phantom White, right? And now let's copy a coin. When I approach this method, I just go for one and I just copy it. I try it out. I'm gonna go for this one right here, or this one actually. Click on copy to Raydium. Your Phantom will show up. Okay, ignore the warning. Some people are scared of this warning, but trust me, it's completely normal and safe. Click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and the coin will be minted. Okay, just wait. Sometimes it's fast, sometimes it's slow. It depends of market conditions, boom. And if you go on SoScan, you guys can see that it is live. Okay, it's minted, it's all legit. Now let's create the liquidity pool. Here it's really important, put anywhere in between 0.3 to 1 Solana for the dev buy right here. Okay, so the dev buy is where you will be setting how much supply you have as a dev. Okay, now for the supply of the coin, click on 90%, but the dev buy is really important. In between 0.3 to 1 SOL is perfect, and you will get this back later. It is not a big deal. Here make sure you put 90% and then click on create pool. Your phantom will show up, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm and understand, confirm, and then the coin will be created and live. Bang! And if you click on refresh, bang, the coin is live, and now people are able to see your coin and buy in if they want to. Now go on any trading platform that you want. It does not have to be Photon or Axum. And as you guys can see, bang, the coin is pumping a lot, and this is exactly what I mean about the attention on Raydium. It's absolutely insane. We're getting a bunch of random people to buy in. Let's see how much we're up already within 30 seconds. Bang, we're already up $300, guys. This is what I mean about Raydium and copying coins. It's insane. Now all you have to do is let your coin pump, let it pump, let people see the coin and decide if they want to buy in, and when it goes high, then now you can cash out. But for now, just let the coin pump. I'm gonna be right back. Alright guys, I am back, and as you guys can see, we're at a 30 to 45k market cap. Let's see how much we're up. Come back to create memes.io, right? Click on refresh, and bang, we're up 2.5k on this meme coin. That is absolutely insane in my opinion, okay? And yeah, let's cash it out actually. Click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity. Your phantom will show up, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm and understand, and then click on confirm. And then bang! I just dipped the coin in front of your face. And if I open my phantom wallet for proof, bang! $2.7 thousand went straight inside my phantom wallet. This is exactly what I mean about deving meme coins, guys. I do this shit every single day, and I just deved a coin in front of your face. So if you want to start deving, bro, create memes.io will be linked down below or in the description. The trick is to launch multiple coins and stay consistent, bro. That is the trick. And yeah, bro, peace out.